So hi everyone, for this recording I'm going to show you how to register in Superpreneurs.com. So just navigate to the Superpreneurs.com and click this menu. So once you click this, it will show this panel where you can see the sign up. So just click this and it will open a form. So in here you can then fill out the form. Say for example, Juan de la Cruz, and you can add a number, you can leave the referral, and let's add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and same on the confirmation. So you can check the privacy and terms, and after checking you can then click the checkbox and hit the create account button. So after a few seconds it will show this confirmation that account was created, and it gives us this information how to confirm the registration. So let's click this sign in and open the Gmail to check the email, because if you try to log in here without confirming the email, it will show this one: account is registered but not yet verified. So we need to verify. So as you can see, we have one account on the email, and when you open this it will say verify email for Superpreneurs Alliance. So when you click this, it will open to a new tab or window where you can see the progress of verification. So after this you can see that, and you can now log in. Alright, so let's check. So we can see the name here, and we can now access the features of Superpreneurs.com. Thank you.